obviously they do most of their sales online. They do some in stores, like at a Nordstrom or something like that, but I wasn't able to see this model there. Standard packaging. Welcome to the movement. I know some people don't like these watches, but I thought I'd give it a try. This is my first one. I like the idea of this particular model because it looked quite a bit different from their others. This comes sealed, almost feels like an iPhone box. Let's see if there's a way to undo this easily. Here we go. That's nice. Little things. All right. Let's get this out of here. Kind of a nice box, I suppose, for what you're paying for. Let's see if we can slide this out of here without damaging it too much. I'm not too worried about it if I do. Here we go. All right. Again, heavily branded. That's kind of their deal. All right. Let's take a look and see how it looks in person. Don't need that. Awesome. I'm actually pretty excited about this. The one thing I couldn't tell online is if this bevel here, if this was polished or brushed, because it looked like most of the watch was brushed, but that beveled edge right there is polished. You can see that. That's very nice. I'm very excited about that. Let's see if I can get this out of here. Awesome. Obviously this is all wrapped up still. Let's see if we can take some of this off and get a clearer picture of what we're looking at. Awesome. The face is kind of a dark gray. It's a little hard to tell if it was that dark gray or if it was black online. It said gray, so I trusted it. That looks nice. I'm very excited about this band. I like the integrated links. That looks very cool. It's obviously it's kind of reminiscent of a Nautilus, which obviously if you're buying this, you're probably not a Nautilus buyer, but if you want something kind of similar, that's kind of what got me interested in this particular model from them. I didn't have any of their other watches before, but I've wanted something kind of an alternative to the Nautilus because who's got that kind of money, right? So let's see if I can pull this plastic off. We can get a better look. There we go. Awesome. Let's see if we can get this one too. And then we can see what it looks like on the wrist. I'm kind of a bigger guy, so it might not look the same for all of you. Kind of a normal deployment clasp. There you go. Let's see if it's way too big, if it's got too many links. Actually, straight out of the box for my wrist, that actually fits very well. Pretty excited about that. Overall, for what I was looking for, I'd say this is a win. This was the bronze color, which may not be coming through very well in the video, but I'm very pleased with this. It's pretty much exactly what I was hoping for, and not disappointed at all. So if you were considering this and had any questions, hopefully this helped you see exactly what we were looking at. Again, this is the Movement Odyssey series, the brand new series from them.